how to upload content to Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to upload content in Snapchat. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once inside the app, then you will land directly on the camera screen. And this is where you can take, snap, or upload content. So here simply swipe up from the camera screen and there you can just tap on the galleries or the memories icon below the capture button. And here you'll see all your saved photos and videos. So here you can just tap on any photo or video that you want to upload and here you can simply edit it with text, stickers, filters or drawings before posting. And here once you're done with it, you simply have to tap on send to button. And now here you can share it with your friends directly, add it to your story as well for everyone to see. And that's it. Now you know how to upload content on Snapchat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.